Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create tasks from team meetings on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using ClickUp and you're starting to take meeting notes on ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead and create tasks from meetings on ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's go ahead and access our documents here. And here, let's say that we have meeting notes. So with meeting notes, this is a template already provided by ClickUp, and you can see here that people can add their notes. So let's say that one of the notes that we were in was that we had to send PDFs to, let's say, Walmart. What can happen is that as you start to write your meeting notes, you could actually go ahead and highlight a phrase. And you see this icon here with the purple check mark. This is the Create Task button. So if you click on this, you could select the list in which you want this added to. And then you could also set the assignees. You can custom field it. You could also set a due date and then click on Create. So that is how you go ahead and create a task from meetings on ClickUp. Now, if we go over to where we created that task, which I think was under Content Ideas, you'll see that Send PDFs to Walmart now appears here. So this is a really great way to actually turn your meetings into actionable items instead of it leaving up in the air. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create tasks from meetings on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.